Today we're making clay pot rice, a famous Cantonese Hong Kong dish. There are so many different ways to make it, but the golden formula is simple. All you need is a clay pot or a cast iron pot or a Dutch oven, some rice, some protein, some greens, and soy sauce. So today I'm just gonna see what's in my fridge and go with the flow. So for protein, I've decided to use some Chinese sausages, some eel, and an egg. For the greens, I'm using some fresh dills, and that's it. The first step, of course, is to rinse and cook the rice. But before cooking, don't forget to spread some butter or vegetable oil around the clay pot. This is how you get that signature crispy, slightly burned rice at the bottom. While the rice is cooking, we can prep the other ingredients. And again, there are no rules when it comes to chopping. You can cut everything into bite-sized pieces or finely chop them. It all depends on you. I'm feeling lazy today, so I just cut the sausage in half, finely chop the dill, and cut the eel into bite-sized pieces. And once the rice is almost done, add the sausage and let it cook for a bit. And when the sausage is nearly cooked through, add the remaining ingredients and let everything simmer for a few minutes. After about 3 to 4 minutes, everything is ready. Now we can serve and enjoy. This is a solid 8.2 out of 10 dish. The rice on top is soft and fluffy, and when you get it in the same bite with that rich, oily sausage and the tender eel, it just works. The egg is perfectly runny, the dill is crazy fresh, and that crispy rice at the bottom, that's a whole extra layer of texture. Honestly, the best part and the real cherry on top.